Hey everyone, welcome to my video on ChatGPT alternatives. ChatGPT has taken the world by storm, but it's not the only game in town. When it comes to AI powered language models, in this video, we'll explore some of the top ChatGPT alternatives, highlighting their unique strength and features. We'll also see them in action, how it's compete with ChatGPT. Let's first figure out how ChatGPT works or why ChatGPT was so much popular. Let me just move my video aside. Okay, so now we have better or clear view of the UI. Let's go ahead and type write me a email for sick leave. So it's a generative AI. So based on the prompt I have given it, it's able to generate text. Now you can see it's generated a draft copy of mail for sick leave request. Now I can just ask it or what is loop in JS or JavaScript. So it will go and generate text for what is loop in JavaScript. So it will, you can see that it has mentioned for loop, the code for that for loop and the example, while loop with example, do while loop with example, the syntax and the examples. Now let's go ahead and check other candidates. So the first one we have with us is Gemini AI. It's a product developed by Google. It was formerly known as Google Bird. It's a multimodal AI. That means it's capable of generating text, images, code, and even music. And it's also just like ChatGPT, it has free of cost features, or it comes with free of cost. So let's go ahead and see how it competes with ChatGPT. Let's say I am typing write me a email for sick leave. So you can see, just like ChatGPT, it also has generated the mail template or draft copy of mail for sick leave request. We can also go and type what is loop in JS. You can see it has generated the syntax, explanation, and example for loop in JavaScript. And being a Google product, it has another advantage, its seamless integration with other Google products, which we can see it in action here. We can just go and click on this share button and we can just click on export to docs or drafting Gmail, and it will be copied to docs or it will create a email draft in Gmail. Now the next one we have with us is called Perplexity AI. It's a bit different from ChatGPT and Gemini. What is features? So basically it's focused on factual accuracy and comprehensive responses. It's great for doing research and getting reliable information. So let's say I want to do some kind of research, instead of going into Google and finding the sources, then from there doing summarization, we can just come into Perplexity AI and do our research. So how we can do it? So we can just ask a question like this: what is AI model? It will look for the multiple sources and articles on internet and it will generate a comprehensive response. Not only that, we can go and share this one, or we can just go ahead and write follow-up questions like how do AI models differ from machine learning models, or what are the main components of an AI models, or let's say applications of AI models here: predictive analytics, image and speech recognition, natural language processing, automated decision making. We want to understand more about this automated decision making. So we can just go ahead and ask a follow-up question. So we can say how AI models help with automated decision making. So being a follow-up question, it will just go and look through the other resources, fetch the details and generate a comprehensive response. And from there we can just do more follow-up questions and narrow down our responses. Now, the third one we have with us is called Microsoft Copilot. So currently I am not logged in. So when you are not logged in, this is what the UI looks like, but it's also free of cost. So being a Microsoft product, it's completely integrated with Microsoft ecosystem, just like Google is integrated with other Google product. So let's go ahead and see it in action also. We can just type, write me a email for sick leave. You can see it's generating a sick leave request email template. Now let's go ahead and type the next question. What is looping.js? So you can see it is generating what is looping.js. So it is generating different loops present in JavaScript with the codes or coding example for that particular loop, corresponding loop. So this is how this each product or each model is working. So just like ChatGPT, these are all capable of doing different tasks and they have their own strength and features. ChatGPT is undoubtedly a powerful tool, but it's important to explore what are the alternatives available with us for now. Each model has its own strength and weaknesses. So, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Consider different factors like cost, ease of use, the specific feature you are looking for when making your decision. I hope this video has given you a good overview of some of the top ChatGPT alternatives. If you have any question or any comments, you can just leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI related content. Or if you like this video, you can share this video with your friends and colleagues. Let me know in the comments which ChatGPT alternative you are most interested in trying. Thank you for watching.